Welcome back everyone. Today I will unbox an interesting product that was sent to me by the manufacturer. It is a network streamer from Arylic, but it's more than just a streamer. You will see why a little bit later. But now the unboxing part. We have a manual with a lot of information, the streamer itself, and of course accessories. We have a remote control with a lot of functions and very clicky buttons. It is powered by two AAA batteries, a 12-volt power brick, two antennas, one for Bluetooth, other one for Wi-Fi, an RCA cable, and an aux wire as well. And here is the streamer, a small solid box that is made from aluminum. The back is populated with connections. It weighs about 500 grams. After a week of use, it has found a good place in my new hi-fi setup. I recently bought a power amplifier, and this streamer adds a lot of functions to it. Previously, I used my headphone amp to add some features to it. Now I have found a better replacement for it. I used its optical input to get the sound from my TV. It was previously done by my headphone DAC amp. It has Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX-HD, file support from a USB, aux input, and streaming possibilities from all major streaming providers. I use it in a wired mode, but you can also add a Wi-Fi connection to it thanks to the 4Stream app provided by Arylic. It is easy to manage connections. I did not even read the manual because the setup is intuitive. I can change the volume slowly with my remote or just hold the button to increase it much faster. When the volume shows 99, then it is working as the line out. There is a great feature where I can change the bass and treble settings. I put it on my power amp, and when I change the volume, I can always see the level of it with large digits on the screen. It is worth mentioning that this streamer has an optical out as well. And the main thing, 12-volt trigger, which is widely used in hi-fi power amplifiers, and you can turn on your Class A power amp when the streamer is being switched on. As for the build quality, it is built solid, all connections are firm, and it looks nice. Here you can see how it looks in my hi-fi setup, and it sounds great. It adds all the functions that I need, and I can enjoy music and look at my amp's large VU meters. That's it for today. If you want to see more videos of useful audio stuff, you should definitely subscribe. See you in the next videos. Good luck everyone.